You set up your ad accounts, everything looks good, and within 3 days, half of them are banned. Not because of your creatives and not because of your targeting, because Facebook saw all those accounts logging in from the same IP and flagged them as one person. And that's what ISP proxies fix. Today, I am reviewing HypeProxies, one of the longest running ISP proxy providers out there. So let's get into it. ISP proxies are IP addresses assigned by real internet service providers. Think Comcast, AT&T, Verizon, hosted on fast enterprise servers. Platforms see a legit residential ISP connection, and because it's static, it's the same IP every single time you connect, and each account always log in from the same location, and that's what a real user looks like, and that's what keeps accounts safe and alive. HypeProxies has been running since 2017, 8 plus years. That's a long time in this space. Half a million static ISP IPs, 100 Gbps fiber, 99.9% uptime, service level agreement SLA, unlimited bandwidth on every plan, and 4.8 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot with over 150 reviews. Solid across the board. Use code Vashishtha at checkout for 10% off. Link is in the description. The pricing is per IP, not per gigabyte. You pay for a fixed number of IPs, use them as much as you want, no data caps, and no overages. The Pro plan gets you 50 IPs, comes around $65 per month on monthly billing or $58 per month on quarterly billing. Per IP cost is just $1.16. Business plan gets you 100 IPs, comes around $125 per month on monthly or $112 per month on quarterly billing. The pricing per IP comes around $1.12. The enterprise plan gets you 254 IPs in a slash 24 subnet. The cost comes around $300 per month on monthly, $270 on quarterly billing. All plans get unlimited bandwidth and 10 Gbps speed, and there is a $1 trial, $1 to test before committing. You can use code Vashisht10 for an extra 10% off on any plan. After purchase, you hit the dashboard and get a static proxy list. Each IP has a host, port, username, and password. Just export or copy the list, drop each IP into a browser profile, and it's done. One IP, one profile forever. That IP is that profile's identity and it never changes. This is not a rotating pool. You own specific IPs for your subscription period, and the whole point here is stability. Now, let me quickly show you how to drop these proxies into AdsPower. It just takes about 2 minutes. Open AdsPower and click on New Profile. Give it a name tied to the account it's for example, Facebook ad account dash client XYZ. Inside the profile, go to the proxy tab and set the type to HTTP. Now paste in the proxy host, port, username, and password straight from your HypeProxies dashboard. To do this, I will go to the HypeProxy dashboard and copy my first proxy. It's the list, so you don't need to copy the host, username, password separately. Just copy the whole list and paste in the host name field in AdsPower, and all the fields will be automatically populated. See how I did it. Now hit check proxy and you will see the IP, the country, and the ISP name, and then click on save, and then you can open the profile. Every tab in that profile now runs through that ISP IP. You can repeat with a different IP for every other profile. AdsPower has a free plan that covers two profiles to start with. you can use code VASHI at checkout for an extra 5% off on any paid plan. Link is in the description and the first comment on this video. These ISP proxies. The first use case is for ad account manager. If you are an ad account manager who is managing Facebook, Google, or TikTok ad accounts, each account gets its own static IP, completely separate identities, which makes it easier to manage multiple accounts from the same computer. You also need to use anti-detect browsers like AdsPower, but HypeProxies static ISP proxies are way more powerful with it. Social media agencies. If you are in social media agency managing clients' accounts on Instagram or Twitter, one IP per account will have no cross contamination. Then sneaker botters. If you are doing sneaker botting, then your ISP IPs pass reputation checks and 10 Gbps handles checkout load during the drops. And then for e-commerce operators, if you manage multiple Amazon, Shopify, or eBay accounts that need to look like different people. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of high proxies, ISP proxies. Talking about the advantages and the plus side, you get unlimited bandwidth, predictable per IP pricing, 10 Gbps speed, 99.9% uptime, $1 trial, crypto payments, and 8 years in business, which is a good trust score. Then on the con side, they have primarily US and Canada coverage and no mobile proxies. And it is not built for large scale rotating scraping use cases. So it's for multi account management specifically, and the cons won't matter to most people watching this for managing multiple ad accounts. So the question is, do ISP proxies work? Yes. Does high proxies deliver? Also yes. Per IP unlimited bandwidth pricing, static IPs platforms can flag, fast infrastructure and a $1 trial, 9.5 out of 10 stars rating. And $1 trial link is in the description. You can use code VASHISH10 for 10% off. And if you're setting this up with AdsPower, you can use code VASHI for an extra 5% off there too. Drop a like if this helped you. Comments are open for any questions you have, and I will see you in the next video.